In this tutorial, I will show you how to make cute kite clips for little girls. To make this, you will need the following. A square piece of felt. This should measure 4 inches by 4 inches. You will also need some beads. And a colorful yarn tassel. 2 threads of any color. You will also need 2 small pieces of yarn and 2 hair clips. Grab your felt piece. Fold it twice in a triangular shape. Then open it up and fold like this. Fold these sides in. Then fold these sides into this pocket. Grab your thread. Start stitching all around the kite to secure. Grab your darker thread to stitch a pattern. Grab a small piece of yarn and start stitching it in the middle. Stitch on the second piece as well. Grab your colorful yarn tassel and tightly stitch it to the bottom of the kite to make sure that it's secure. Grab your beads and stitch them here and here. It's almost ready. Lastly, grab your hair clips and glue one to the back.